G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go for a drive in the XY GTHO Phase 3 Tribute. And we'll give you an insight and a bit of a feel of how the car drives and what it feels like. So Tony will be driving on the way to Liverpool and I will be driving on the way back. So sit back, relax, grab yourself a beer and enjoy the show. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the GTHO Phase 3 Tribute. This car has got everything that the Phase 3 had. Like, it's, if you see the video, my second video that I've ever done. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to the sound of that. Those little stabs just pull it back. Sounds so lumpy. So enough of me talking, I'll let you guys listen to the music of this exhaust. Yeah, 100%.
It just wants to go. Look at a double clutch.
So the car is in vermilion fire and it's been built on a rotisserie. And it has everything that the Phase 3 had. It's an exact copy. It has that rev limiter in the engine bay, up to the brackets, that special bracket that they had from the diff. Sound. This has that old school V8 sound. It's got like a metallic in it. It's the high pitched sound of V8.
It's the same tube thickness.
Yeah, with the metallic, you can tell like it's got.
It's not tinny, it's not stainless.
Yeah. It's just perfect sound. Very addictive. Woo. Oh, yeah, these things, I know they're quoted at 300 horsepower, But these things had more like 380 horsepower, and I'll tell you what, you can feel it when you put the foot down, because this engine is spec'd exactly to the Phase 3. Everything, carbines, camshafts, everything is spec'd to how the Phase 3 motor was. It's got the close ratio top loader gearbox, the 31 spline diff. What ratios has it got?
3.5s.
3.5s, okay.
I've got the other two ratios as well at home.
Alright, so you
the other
can
ratios.
swap them over if you like, yeah. I think it was 325s, 350 and 390s from memory. It's coming back to me, yes.
Right.
325s, 350 or 390.
They didn't have a 411A.
No.
They're only the quarter mile.
411, a lot of people put them in to get better times down the quarter. So we've got the 350 ratios, the close ratio top loader, 31 spline axle diff, and it's a Detroit locker.
You can tell, especially when you're going around the roundabout.
Yeah.
That wants to bloody take off.
Ladies and gentlemen, look at the shaker, how it moves. So that sits on top of the engine and the hole is cut out in the bonnet. So that's part of the engine that you're seeing there. Like other cars with a similar engine, that's what's happening under the bonnet, but you don't see it. With the shaker, you get to see it. Because it shakes, they call it the shaker. And when you give it, would have seen that it rises from the left side. The torque, the engine always rises from the left side, and you can see the shaker rise. Now, I think it picked it up on the video when we stabbed a little bit just a bit before. And that's one of the things that I love about this car. It just keeps reminding you, apart from the sound, by looking at the shaker, it keeps reminding you of what sort of a car you're in and how lumpy this engine is. It's got a distinctive feel. These muscle cars have a distinctive feel about them.
And it's not very rough too, eh, George?
And this car's been made good because it's not rough.
No.
I remember my XA, it was over the bumps, it was like crashing. I used to hear a lot of the crash type noises. This thing, you don't hear them. It takes the bumps very well. But then again, the car is like brand new, like it's been, you know, redone, restored, like a brand new car, as if it come out from the factory.
Even the radio moves, George.
Yeah, yeah, we covered that in the video. The other time, and the clock too. The clock too. When
Still
I heard
ticking,
it,
mate.
I heard it ticking.
Still ticking.
Yeah, at least I know my ears are still alright because I heard it. When I was filming it last time, as soon as I put my head in, I heard the ticking and I said, "What's that?" And it was the clock. Everything works, even the special aerial. All the interior. Yeah, you can't see now. We'll have to do a daytime filming of it. But yeah, this car, from every nut and bolt to Phase 3 specs. the steering, we'll have to do it when I take it for a bit of a drive.
And then you'll see.
And Tony will be filming.
Look at this one.
But that's for another day.
Nothing. Within the lines.
I have been promised the drive, so I'll be looking forward to that. I'll give you another insight, but from the passenger seat it feels fantastic.
What's a good drive at home? You'll be driving at home, Mr. Georgie?
Oh, thank you, mate. I'll be looking forward to that.
Mate.
Okay. So you'll film me driving it for the viewers a bit? Yeah, no worries. Thank you, sir. That'll be good. I'll be getting back in a GT after
These years.
I've been in a GT, but I think the last time I drove a GT was 1996. I don't think I drove one after that. Like this.
You like to hear the true sound.
Yeah, when I'm watching other videos, you know, people are talking over the engine a lot of times. Like if it's a nice car, you know, that's got a nice note, I feel like telling them, be quiet, let me just listen to the car. So because I like that, that's what I'm trying to let for you guys. So we're going to left here again. Fantastically, mate. There's not a rattle in it. Not a rattle. This car feels like how somebody that bought it back in the showroom. Somebody that got it back in 1972 would have felt what we're feeling here now.
Gotta press the clutch. George, I'm the owner of the car. I've decided to give Georgie a bit of a ride in the car. Oh, he's got a smile on the face today. He's got
Brings
a
back the
smile.
memories of the XA GT days.
Memories, eh, Georgie?
Memories, all right, mate. I love these things. I wish I could afford one. They're so expensive, mate. It feels like I haven't. Like I didn't drive one of these since 1996, and I feel like I haven't stopped.
You're the only one who's driven my car, mate.
That is a massive thank you to you, Tony, for trusting me. But you know that I've always been able to handle the GT. So I thank you for that. 100%, brother. Big thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, this car feels fantastic. It feels brand new. The steering wheel, there's no play in it. It's just awesome. The gearbox feels beautiful.
Just like I told you, Georgie.
The shifter, everything. It's immaculate. It drives fantastic. The suspension feels good, nice and tight. The shifter is nice and tight, brand new. It is wonderful. Tony, you've bought a mad buy here, mate. I congratulate you. You chose a beauty.
Thank you, George.
Not a problem, my dear sir.
Bit of a turnout today, eh?
Yeah, not too bad.
Bit of a shot with the shaker.
Yep,
We've still got the engine on.
that's it. Mate, I feel right at home in this thing.
You still got that smile on, George.
Oh, yeah.
Can't wipe that off, eh?
Unbelievable, brother.
Oh, God.
Love it. Mate, thanks for bringing me the memories again. Feels fantastic.
Nice weather.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to leave it there. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.
And a big thanks to Tony once again. Thank you very much, Tony.
No worries, mate. Keep it up.
Thanks, brother.